So we all love the Grenadier for its off-road capabilities, and once you get used to have this big center display for all the information, you will recognize very quickly, oh, there is a little bit of glare coming from all the windows around you. There is lots of products in the market. We tried out a few and saw that there's maybe a larger version required to really get the glare off the display. And once you are having it installed, it is in a perfect location for a lot of gear you want to use while driving and not having it too much in your view. So the side wings here are helping a lot with the side window glare, and the top one with a little angle is helping a lot with the front window glare. All of that very easy to incorporate with a double sticky tape here on the back side, and then you are sliding it behind the trim and it goes nicely in and stays where it should be. We added the plugs here for the studs, so you can use 3 openings if you want to for your gear. In this case it's a ball mount, it's an action camera mount, or a normal stud for a variety of accessories using these small little threaded inserts. If you don't need them, don't worry, there's little rubber plugs closing the hole so you will not see it, but especially the middle mount here for our action camera, we use it quite often, it's made in the USA of high quality aluminum, powder coated, we are very happy with that product. Tested it on a lot of tours in Moab, and for us it's really one of the key features next to the Safari Mollet panels to keep your driver area nice, clean and organized.